The distribution and uses of minerals in India. So where they found in India iron ore. So which states are famous for iron ore in India? Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, MP, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. And what is the use of iron ore in making steel? And bauxite is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, MP, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. And what is the use of bauxite in manufacturing and electrical wires and machineries? Now mica producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan, and mica is used to manufacturing electrical goods and paints. Copper mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and it is used in manufacturing electrical wires and machineries. Manganese are found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and it is used in making steels and various alloy. Now next is limestone. So limestone producing states are Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan. And limestone is used in smelting iron, producing cements and mortar. Now next is gold. So Kolar in Karnataka has large deposit of gold in India. In Karnataka, Kolar region is famous for gold in India. These mines are very deep, which make the mining of this ore very expensive process. So the process is very expensive to taking out this gold, and the gold is using, as we know, that for making jewelry. Now last is salt. So salt is obtained from sea, lakes and rocks. India is one of the world's leading producer and exporter of salt, and use of this flavoring food and in chemical industries. So salt is used for flavoring the food and in chemical industry. Here are the some other important metals and minerals and their uses. Diamond. So diamond is making jewelry, cutting glass and drilling hard rocks. Gypsum, it is manufacturing cement, fertilizer and sulfuric acid. Chromite in making high grade steel. Silicon obtained from quartz is used in the computer industry. The silicon is used in computer industries. Aluminium obtained from its ore. Bauxite is used in building kitchen cookware, airplanes, automobiles. And uranium and thorium in generating atomic power. So these all were the distribution of minerals in India and its uses. Now conservations of minerals resources, that is this we know that the minerals are very useful to us and we have to conserve them, because that its consumption rate is very high of its creation rate, so we have to conserve it. So how we can conserve it? So minerals are non-renewable resources because it takes thousands of years of the formation and concentration of minerals. Human consumption rates of mineral is much faster than its formation. As I have discussed before, that consumption rate is very high because population is very high, but the formation rate is very less as compared the consumption rate. It takes thousands of years of its formation. So how we can conserve? By the reuse and recycle. How minerals once utilized can be recycled or remolded into fresh use. Example, aluminium once used can be molded and used for any other purpose. Like scrap from machines, shapes, etc. can be recycled into the iron sheet and reused. Economic use resources, this can be done by reducing wastage and utilizing reusable resources. Example, save oil. Public transport by pool transport will help to reduce the consumption of petroleum resources. The last is substitutions or alternation. The substitution of costly resources by cheaper substitutes. Costly resources by cheaper substitutes. Example, solar energy, wind energy reduce the use of thermal power which consume coal. So we have to find the alternate of this costly resources like solar energy and wind energy is substitute of coal energy.
So students, this all about the minerals. In this topic minerals, what we have learned, what we have discussed about what is minerals, definitions of minerals, features of mineral resources, types of mineral resources. There are two types of mineral resources, metallic and non-metallic minerals. And metallic minerals further was subdivided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Then we have discussed about the extractions of mineral resources. Extraction, there were three methods of extractions of mineral resources: mining, drilling and quarrying.